Welcome to the Acorns Robo-advisor for Investing Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. Acorns is a unique robo-advisor designed for individuals who want to start investing effortlessly, particularly beginners or those who struggle to save consistently. Its standout feature is the Roundup system, which automatically invests the spare change from your everyday purchases. This micro-investing approach makes it easy to build wealth without needing significant upfront capital. Acorns offers 5 main account options: Invest, Later, Early, Banking, and Personal. The Invest option creates a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals, investing in a mix of low-cost ETFs. The Later account is an IRA for those planning for retirement, while the Early account focuses on custodial accounts for children. Acorns Banking integrates a checking account with no hidden fees. And the Personal tier combines these services for a holistic financial solution. The platform is incredibly user-friendly with automatic rebalancing and features like recurring investments that allow you to schedule regular contributions. Acorns is particularly effective for individuals who have a hard time saving or investing manually, as it simplifies the process by working in the background of your daily life. The monthly subscription fee ranges from $3 to $5 depending on the plan, making it an affordable option, though it can be less cost-efficient for larger balances compared to percentage-based fees. One of Acorns' unique selling points is its educational component, Acorns Grow. This feature provides financial literacy tools and content to help users understand investing and personal finance. Additionally, partnerships with brands offer bonus investments when you shop through the app, further incentivizing users to stay engaged. Overall, Acorns is ideal for beginners, young investors, or anyone looking for a hands-off, automated approach to saving and investing. While it may not be the best choice for high-net-worth individuals or those seeking advanced features, it's perfect for developing consistent investment habits. Check the links in the description to explore Acorns and start building your financial future today.